Hello to everyone. We are members of UniBo Motorsport, University of Bologna Racing Team. We firstly heard about V-grade software in 2019 and we decided to use it in order to create our vehicle dynamic model. The purpose was to simulate dynamic maneuvers, study the results and increase the performance. We participate for 2 years at the virtual formula competition to speed up the learning process of both the software and the design of a dynamic model for a Formula student car. We want to take part also this year for 2 reasons. First, to give the opportunity to new members to learn the software features, and second, to improve our general knowledge. The main challenge we faced during the competition was to organize the workflow of the optimization process between different subsystems.
VI-grade software helped us during the design of our FSAE vehicle, giving a high-level degree of freedom in the creation of the model through a user-friendly environment. Thanks to this, we become able to rapidly work on the different subsystems. We also managed to perform sensitive analysis in the research of the optimal parameter value for each dynamic event of the competition. Moreover, we had the chance to foresee the behavior of the car before the testing session. We will use even for this year VI-grade software to set targets which will guide the main design of the vehicle. We will use also VI-grade to test our control system in order to debug them in dynamic environment, also thanks to its communication with third-party softwares.
We have tried the desktop simulator won during Virtual Formula 2021. We think that is a very useful tool to improve the accuracy of our simulation. It enables us to simulate full laps instead of only open-loop dynamic scenarios, therefore validating our torque vectoring model with the feedback of a real driver.
During our visit, we learned that for a productive use of a simulation system, the dynamic realism is not enough. Indeed, you need to work about the sensorial perception in order to avoid sickness and giving to the driver a better impression of reality. These results give the driver a total feedback. Since in the near future, car manufacturers will develop several autonomous systems focused on increasing the safety, we think that using such simulators could help to test and calibrate these systems without any risk, but with a great fidelity to reality.
This year, the Virtual Formula competition is based on a virtual twin of our real car, so we will be able to do more specific studies and analysis in order to find the better optimization of the vehicle, understand, comparing to other teams, which aspects of our car must be improved and which are good. The Virtual Formula gives us the chance to work even the period of the lockdown during the COVID pandemic. And it's also nice to compete with the other teams from all over the world.
From the beginning, we have realized that the software interface is user-friendly. It can be useful to simulate many circuits and be better prepared for any test. We can also more easily find the best configuration for our prototype. And so for the next season, we will try to study every aspect of the software to win again.